Take it to the next level.
Hey y'all, this is Anthony from Rocket Prince, and thanks for watching this video. In this tutorial today, we're going to walk you through how to use a program called Placeit. Placeit is a library full of templates that can help you create your own t-shirt design, your own graphic design, create mock-ups using their program that has a barrage of templates with models posing for your image, and you can go ahead and download it and start sending it to your social media. If you do like this video, please remember to stick around to the very end to get the best benefit of this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my upcoming videos. Let's go ahead and get this started. Today in this tutorial, I want to talk about this company called Placeit. I use this company to drive sales through my mockups and the ability to show my designs on their platform. So I wanted to give you a quick tutorial what this company is all about and how I use it and how effectively it works for me to generate income. So first, what you want to do is you can either download a free account, but you're going to be limited to all the access materials that that it's available for anybody who is a subscriber. So the pricing on here is $14.95 a month and $89.69 savings of 50% at just $7.47 a month. Okay, if you're interested, after this video you can click on my affiliate link down there. That'll help me generate some income as well by you taking advantage of the affiliate program for me. What Placeit has to offer, and I'm just going to go ahead and log in so you guys can see what this is all about. Okay, so you have the ability to check out any type of design that you want. So let's just say you want to look up t-shirts, you want to put an item on here, one of your graphics on the t-shirt. So you can just type in t-shirt, and here you can see that they got 25,808 mock-ups, 14,432 t-shirt mock-ups, t-shirt only 1217, t-shirt back 1119, and t-shirt for women 7,754. Okay, that's just something simple. Okay, but you can check out everything else they have. They have face masks, hats, hoodies, leggings, onesies, products, sports bars, sportswear, sweatshirts, t-shirt videos, and t-shirts and tank tops for you gamers. And what I like to use the most too is I like to use the YouTube feature. So all of my thumbnails on my videos lately, I've been posting, I've been using this platform and getting thumbnails off of here and creating my personalized thumbnails from here. And you can see they have a barrage of stuff, a barrage of templates that you can pick from. And all you got to do is just simply add your own material to these designs, which one you like, and you can go ahead and create a thumbnail which is the right dimensions for YouTube. Okay, so not only that, they have free videos, they have gaming, animated logos, Twitch screens, YouTube videos, introduction and slideshows. And for logos, if you wanted to create a logo brand, you have the option that you can go to logo creator, and they will make a logo for you. All you need to do is just type in your name and type in your business name, and it'll generate logos for you. So if you see my YouTube, and I'm just going to show you real quick. If you can see this logo right there, I actually use that logo from Placeit. You see how cool that is? So you can generate all kinds of different logos. All you got to do, again, just simply type in your business name and it'll generate something for you, okay, to your liking. All right. So again, you got back to school bundles, free designs, summer designs, and t-shirts, and you also have social media, Fiverr templates, Facebook posts, Facebook covers, bundles, banner ads, Instagram posts, Instagram stories, Patreon templates, Pinterest, Twitter headers, Twitter posts. You got all kinds of stuff. So in this tutorial, I'm just going to show you something real quick. We'll go ahead and do a logo that we can design ourselves on here. You don't really have to have CorelDRAW or Photoshop. You don't have to have these programs to be able to create t-shirts. If you want to start a simple business and something quick, and you want to throw it out and start advertising on Facebook, all you need to do is just simply purchase this, and you can start creating t-shirts with their own background stuff and just add your little twist to it and start creating t-shirts. So here you can simply go to t-shirt designs, and you can pick anything you want in here, okay? So you can pick whatever you feel is a great t-shirt for you, and you can start designing. So Hug Dealer, that's a good one. Enigma. And look, you got 437 choices that you can pick from, okay? And you can just change anything on here and you can make it your own. So on the left hand side, you can see that we got art print maker, food t-shirts, and we got just a breakdown of varieties of what you can pick for what you're actually looking for. So let's do aliens. Okay, let's see what they have options for aliens. All right, and this is cool. Let's pick this one. And then inside the template, you can actually go to your right and you can pick other templates in here that they're actually presenting right now. So here you can just click no image, or you can click upload image, and it'll take it away if you click no image. But we're going to go ahead and keep it. And then on the left hand side, you can change the text, okay? So we'll put in caps, area 51. Area 51, we'll just put Are you down? Alright, just something fun. Okay, and then from here, once you're done with your design, you can go ahead and click download, and it's instantly going to take it to your email that you placed inside it when you signed up. Okay, so if you're not crazy about the background, you can change the background as well. So right here, you just go to background and change it. All right, and you can pick whatever color you want, and you can do the shadow color too. So the shadow color is the font right there where you see that. You can choose that color if you want, or you can change that shadow color. In this design, I'm going to go ahead and leave it. I think that shadow color is pretty cool. All right, and then you have an option on your fonts. You have a variety of different fonts that you can choose from down here. So you can choose any type of font that you like if you don't like the font that's already given out for that design. All right, so once you simply do that, you just download it, save it. Or what you can also do is, if you don't want the background, you just want the design by itself, you can go back to background and you can click here where it says transparency. All right, And there you're just going to have that image, and then you can go ahead and just put that straight image without a square box around it on the t-shirt, and it's just simply going to upload that design. And then you can go back, and I'm going to show you, this is going to be cool. So once it's downloaded, it's going to let you know it's downloaded, and now you can start creating your mock-ups. Go to Mockups, and you just want to scroll down where it says apparel, and then you just want to click on t-shirts. Okay, now you're going to have a variety of choices of templates that you can pick from, and you can start designing your t-shirt on these models. All right, so let's go to this one. We'll click on this mock-up, and I'm going to go back to my email. Okay, so there it is, and I'm just going to download it to my computer. We're going to insert the image, but you have choices on the t-shirt. If you have a specific color that you want, you can actually go here for more, and you can type in what color code that you want for that t-shirt. Okay, so here we're gonna go to, we just want a black t-shirt. We're gonna click here. You have different choices of black, 17, 17, 17. We're gonna use this one with all zeros. And now we're gonna go ahead and upload our image. We're gonna click on the download that we got. And in the crop section, you can crop the image, okay? But you cannot go outside these borders, or your image will start getting chopped up. So what you can do is just bring it out as far as you want, as big as you want, and you can adjust the height. All right, and I'm gonna keep it right there. Boom. Okay, so if you like big images, then you can just leave it like that. But if you're not satisfied, you can always go back and resize your image and just use the crop sliding tool, and you can bring it down some. Okay. And I'm just going to bring it up just a little bit more. All right. Once you're done with that, then you can go back and click download. Once you're done with that, you can go ahead and get your download off your email, and then now you can start posting that image on your whatever social media that you're using that's going to help you generate sales. If you'd like to learn more about Placeit and you have additional questions, please leave a comment down below to my video, and I'll be more than happy to answer any more questions that you have. This is a great platform. I use it. I love this platform. It's helped me make sales. It's a great tool to show off your creative designs, or the people that are trying to purchase from you. It's a great tool to show their design on that t-shirt, on that model, so they can be able to show it to others and help generate sales and help generate more customers for you. So with that, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you guys back next week. Talk to you soon. God bless and peace.